gave me a gift. A fidget spinner. I just feel blessed. We're going to get another one because one is not enough. Whenever you're fidgeting, what do you do with this finger? You just keep it straight? Wait, do it again? Leave us alone. Opening the door for myself. Me? Yeah. Dang, girl. Wow. Who is she? Oh my god, I want to be that shark. Can you please put it on? One size fits most. That's a fat bet. I'm fat. Why am I buying this right now? Is this your house? Oh, bitch. I'm gonna guess 20. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Can you take a picture of me? Supposed to go all the way down. Supposed to go all the way down. I'm sweating. Right. No. One last one for the fans. Yeah. You want to know what we found? Fidget spinners. Hey, baby. Ew, I just saw his butt in his stomach. What doesn't kill you makes you strong.